This is a film about surround sound by ReSound, a digital sound processing strategy that emulates the natural ear to create a sound experience that's more true to life. Listen. The surround sound experience is created by the interplay of advanced technologies that model, clean, balance, and stabilize the signal. Model. The foundation of natural sound. The signal is modeled to replicate the way the ear processes sound. Clean. For comfortable listening, unwanted noise is removed from the signal. Balance. For speech understanding with full, rich sound. The proper balance between low and high pitches and soft and loud sounds is achieved. Stabilize. To prevent distortion and feedback, the signal is stabilized before it enters the receiver. Surround sound is much more than a technical breakthrough. Surround sound is sound that's true to life.